My name is Deborah Hale, and I have come up with a solution for the painstaking task of preparing your doorknobs and hardware when painting doors. This simple technology is already being used for other consumer non-related products. I have come up with a solution that takes the hassle of masking tape and frustrating task of being accurate with every application. My research shows that do-it-yourself projects are on the rise. While preparing for painting around doorknobs, there are currently two solutions. First, take the doorknob off using mini tools and risk losing or misplacing a screw or other hardware pieces to put your doorknob back together. Second is using the masking tape or painter's tape products to prepare your doorknob for painting. While using painter's tape to mask off your doorknob, accuracy is very difficult to achieve. The paint seeps through the tape and adheres to the doorknob hardware. When the paint dries, it peels away the paint from the doorknob, leaving gaps or peeled paint from the door itself. My creation allows for perfect accuracy every time. With a one-step application and perfect coverage, no more masking mess, no more misplaced parts, and you can use the doorknob right away without the risk of movements of tape. This new concept is as thin as masking tape, adheres to the doorknob hardware cleanly, and does not allow for paint seepage into the hardware. It can be removed as easily as it is applied, allowing for instant access to the doorknob. As you can see by my demonstration, it is fast, accurate, and easy to apply. Thank you.